In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive chats in Telegram. Archiving is a simple way to tidy up your chat list without deleting anything. When you archive a chat, it disappears from your main list and moves into a dedicated section called Archived Chats. All your messages stay intact, you can still access the conversation whenever you want, and the other person isn't notified. Think of it as putting a conversation in a drawer so your workspace stays clean. First, open Telegram on your computer. You can use Telegram Desktop if you have the app installed, or you can open Telegram Web in your browser. Both versions work the same for this task, so choose whichever is more convenient. Make sure you're signed in so your chat list appears on the left side of the screen. Next, look through your chat list and find the conversation you want to archive. If you have a lot of chats, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific contact, group, or channel. You don't need to open the conversation itself. Instead, move your pointer over the chat in the list and right-click it. On a trackpad, that's usually a two-finger click, and on some keyboards you can hold Control and click to get the same menu. When the menu appears, click Archive. That's it. Your selected chat will instantly be removed from the main list, helping clear visual clutter. You'll see a new section called Archived Chats appear at the top of your chats list. If it's collapsed, click it to open and confirm the conversation is there. You can scroll through Archived Chats just like your regular list and open any conversation to read or send messages as usual. Archiving is especially helpful for old group discussions, channels you don't check often, or any conversation you want out of sight while keeping it safely stored. It keeps your main list focused on the chats that need your attention today, without losing context or history. Importantly, archiving doesn't affect the other participant and doesn't change what they see. It's purely an organizational tool on your side. To recap, open Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web, right-click the chat in your list, and choose Archive. The chat moves to Archived Chats at the top, ready for you to access whenever you need it. Use this whenever your chat list starts feeling crowded, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused workspace in Telegram.